On behalf of the ISO, International Society for the Study of the Origin of Life, the International Astrobiological Society, the address will be presented by Professor J.W.Schopf.
Доброе утро. Какое понимаете с вами? Все хорошо, я думаю. И так далее. I bring you greetings from ISO, the International Society for the Study of the Origin of Life. And I bring you these greetings on behalf of the current president of ISO, Sandra Pizzarella, who is unable to be here. However, together with Antonio Lascano, who is sitting right down here, I am one of the two past presidents of ISO participating in this meeting. Now, ISO is the oldest and the largest such scientific society in the world. It currently has 600 members from 23 countries. The society was established in 1970 at Pont-à-Mousson, France, but its origins stem from an earlier time. In fact, they stem from here in Moscow in 1957, when A.I. Oparin convened in this city the first major international meeting on the problem of the origin of life, and Oparin was a co-founder of ISO in 1970. Let me say just a couple of words about that 1957 meeting. That was a difficult time for much of the world, and this meeting was of exceedingly importance to breaking down barriers, establishing ways for scientific communication internationally. And that's what we hope from this meeting as well. This is a time when we scientists must speak to each other, learn from each other, and work with one another. And that's what these international scientific meetings are all about. And that's what ISO is all about, an international society for the study of the origin of life. Now, since 1970, ISO has convened meetings worldwide every 3 years, the most recent being this past July in Nara, Japan. At each such meeting, one scientist is honored by receipt of the Society's gold medal, named in honor of A.I. Oparin, which now alternates with a second medal named in honor of the famous cosmochemist and cosmologist, Nobel laureate Harold C. Urey, who discovered deuterium. 2 such Oparin medalists are participating in this meeting. James F. Casting, right down here from Pennsylvania State University, and myself. The problem of the origin of life, to which academic Alexander Ivanovich Oparin contributed such major insight. That problem is the most profound question in all of science. And it still is. It was when he phrased the question as a young man back in 1918, 1922, 1924, 1929, 1938, and it still remains a major pressing problem for us to solve. So I want you to know that my colleagues and I and our fellow ISO members look forward with great anticipation to the contributions presented at this conference. Thank you very much.